Hey guys, welcome to Fool. I'm Fool, and we got some contestants here. Alright, I'll name them. Here is Fool sticker. Fool without the sticker. Fool straw. Male Fool. Yeah. Sideways Fool. Legolas Fool, and upside down Fool. Wolf, and like Evil Fool, Fool Junior, Inanimate Fool, Fool's Roblox avatar. What else? There's Blue Fool. Oh yeah, and there's Pool, Fool without the straw. Yeah, the first contest is to like not be a solo cup.